And it looks like the winner is... What is going on, guys? Today is the day a lot of you have been waiting for. As you can see right here, the giveaway has ended and we had 1,145 entries. Just want to say thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you for entering the giveaway. Just so you guys know, at this current point, I don't even know who won. We're gonna go onto the website and it's gonna pick the winner and we'll find out together. All right, so here we are. One prize left. Find out who won. One winner. Draw. Looks like the winner is Robert Collins of Marietta, California. Congratulations. I'm going to be contacting you to get your shipping information so we can get this thing sent out to you right away. Just wanted to give another huge thanks to everybody who entered. And even if you didn't enter, just for supporting my channel. If you missed this giveaway, don't worry. Stay subscribed to my channel so you can stay up to date. There will be more in the future. As always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new and you haven't done so already. See you guys in the next one.